Power BI users, heads up! The Power BI Enhanced Report Format, PBIR, is set to become the default report format, bringing major improvements to how teams build, collaborate on, and automate reports.
Why PBIR? PBIR unlocks modern development practices with full support for source control, CI/CD, collaborative development, and AI-powered automation. Developers can now programmatically create, edit, and manage reports like never before. When is it becoming default? Starting January 2026, all new reports built in Power BI Service or Power BI Desktop will use PBIR by default. Editing and saving existing reports will automatically convert them to PBIR. How to opt out during the preview? Simply turn off the PBIR metadata options in Power BI Desktop or disable the tenant setting in Power BI Service, though these won't be enforced until January 2026. General availability. Once PBIR reaches GA, it becomes the only supported report format. All reports will convert automatically, and PBIR legacy will be deprecated. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.